Hello, this is Evan here from the Trade Risk on Wednesday, November 25th. We are intraday right now. This is our weekly swing trade ideas video where we bring you stocks based on specific technical price patterns. And as always, these videos are sponsored by our partners over at Investors Business Daily. We curate ideas from their stock lists. You can get access to their stock lists with a link in the description of this video. So I'm going to keep this pretty brief today. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving. Markets are closed. Hope everyone has a wonderful day off from markets, enjoying some time with friends and family. And yeah, we're going to go over just a few names here, keep it pretty brief. Everything here is on the long side today that we're going to look at. Just 4 trade ideas, 1 position that we currently have open. So first, let's dive into DKNG. This is DraftKings here. So this is coming from our pullback strength scan. So as a reminder too, we are running a Black Friday sale. So if you are interested in any of these scans, you can pick them up on discount for this week. So check that out. But basically here, this is our pullback strength scan. Which, really the easy way to describe it is it's looking for sort of bull flag type patterns. And this one here fits that mold pretty nicely. You get a high growth stock here in a recent uptrend, broke the downtrend a couple of weeks back. It's rallying up, had it several days down, and now it's getting going today. Earlier today, this would have signaled earlier. Of course, we're looking at this at $50, but this was signaling, in the lower to mid 49s earlier today. So DraftKings pullback strength scan, that's one. Number 2 is coming from our bullish engulfing scan. And this one, this is a name I'm not familiar with. It's a recent IPO, so Frog, F-R-O-G, and it doesn't have a whole lot of price history to it, but I just thought it was interesting because you are getting a pickup in volume recently. So if you look down here at the bottom of the chart, you can see the higher volume coming in, and it's also occurring right at basically the low here after the initial public offering. So we had the second day of trading. The low is around $59. We recently tested that, and now it's kind of pushing off of that. So I think that's interesting. Frog, not familiar with the name, but something that you might find interesting. This one here is sort of just a discretionary pickup from me, ALRM. I don't know if this is coming from any of our scans, but this has certainly just caught my eye. Basically here, you've got this really just a textbook looking pattern. So you have this nice sort of rounded bottom here. So you got this nice consolidation that took place all the way down to 55 through 60, rallied back up to the prior highs, and now you can see it tested them, it overshot it a little bit, pulled back, consolidated, it's holding the gap, had the explosive bar yesterday, and now getting some follow through. This looks real good here on a daily chart. Could get follow through. Early entry is probably today or yesterday's close, and then you could probably add, or if you want a little more confidence, over $74 to break out the highs. That one looks real good to me. Last but not least is a name, different look here. So this is kind of what you could think of as a quant signal, because this is coming from our trading system, Merlin. This is a name that we currently own, so we are long the stock. We are a little bit down on this stock. I think our cost basis is $22, right around $22. So we are currently down on this name, but I just wanted to sort of highlight it because I think it's getting sort of interesting here, and it is something that we're long, and we have kind of research-driven signals to be involved in this. But, you can see it's been in an uptrend for since March. Basically, got as low as around $12, got as high as almost $30. It's been pulling back here over the past 3 months. But I think what's notable is, the compression that's going on here. So again, you can see it's getting pretty tight in this area here. So something's going to give pretty soon. And you also have this pickup in volume recently here. So while things are slowing down in volume, this this particular stock seeing a little increase in volume. So I don't know which way this breaks. I mean, it obviously could continue its downtrend, break lower. That obviously would not be good for our position. We do have a stop loss in place. I don't know what that is off the top of my head, but I figured I'd bring your attention to it. If it starts to resolve higher here, could be a nice, kind of move back up towards the prior highs. That's obviously what we're playing for. We'll see if that happens. So that's it. That's what I got for today's video. 4 trade ideas, a little bit light this week, but once again, thanks as always for tuning in and watching. Hopefully you enjoy some time away from screens, and you can catch us back here on Friday. We'll do a weekend market recap on Friday. So enjoy the day tomorrow, and we'll see you in the next video update.